there's only one of these, so that can go on top of there.
So I'm using these.
Bend your knees, Katie. Bend your knees. Oh. Shane.
Bloody ducks.
Frogs. All right, what am I doing?
Let's go have a look at our cleaner.
Okay, I'll have a look how clean it is. Wow! Oh my god! Beautiful, so clean. It's great. I'm not even being sarcastic.
I haven't done that.
Oh, you haven't done that yet. Okay. See that filming?
Is that filming? Don't know.
It's a lot of chippies.
Oh, look at that.
Oh! Do you want to explain what's happening, Shane?
Well, I want to put some stuff away for some unknown reason. I'm not going to explain what, but there was a pinhole leak in this old thing, and water was dripping everywhere, very slowly.
I knew there'd be some sort of problem today.
Very quickly, just chucking a cap on it. Put a proper cap on it.
Move out over plumbing, Don. No, we love Elliot. Me, Jared.
I was asking if you told everyone about this nice show at the Tote.
What show's this? Oh my god, Leatherman Turn On You album launch featuring Al Carson, Cutters in the Breaks, Saturday, July 5th, the Tote. That's actually a really cool poster.
It's pretty cool.
You look very cool in it, Jared.
So what are you doing in there?
Put the cap on. Cap's on.
You already got a cap on.
Mate. That cap. But it's done now. So I've got to just cap it off, move the thing. Now I've got to clean this.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Always some plumbing every day here.
Anyway, now you will see why I am pissed off. Jared, good. Now you'll see why I said if you stick your head in there, now look at that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. See why I'm a little bit on the angry side? Lovely. 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 Lovely.
Pull up a pew, mate.
Pull up a f***ing pew. Jesus. I would say that is correct. Go on. It's on. Very wet in there.
Yeah?
Very wet.
Do you want to sit on it just to try it out?
Do not.
I mean, your ducks are already pretty soaked.
No, I'm almost dry.
On a scale of 1 to 10. 10 being bad.
Yeah, how bad was it?
It's an 8.
An 8?
Well, if you've reefing something up above something where it shouldn't go, it's connected to a water pipe. Yeah. It's up there on idiocy. Hey Jared Goon,
Yep.
I'm going to go turn the mains water back on.
Yep.
Let me know if any water comes gushing out of that.
Alright.
We good?
I think we're good.
Come on, well.
Tap those on.
You turn the tap off, thank you.
Turn it off.
Yeah, you can turn it off. Anyway, Jared Goon, today we're going to chalk that up to be a bit of a win. A win that should never have had to happen.
But could have been a lot worse.
A lot worse.
Our chips are dry.
The chips are dry. Anyway. You know what we are going to do now, though?
What are we doing next?
Hey, for the sake of 5 seconds, you might save some pain later on when I go, ah. Bugger. Pretty sure that's tight as a
Tight as a what?
It's tight as being tight enough. Did that work? Oh, I got to write that, didn't I? It's as tight as being tight enough. Yeah, that worked.
Tight as a fish's asshole?
Sure, I'll probably get in trouble and say something about fish, but yeah, we'll go with that. You went with that. Not high.
We do win.
You kind of win. We don't really win. We just do a little better. Every day. Very good. We don't ever really win. We just do a little better.
That's the way.
Yeah, well, I reckon this one's
It's got like fucking blue shit.
That's from the water, from sitting in the actual line. There's no line. Right. Now what the we do with these? Now that we've destroyed them. That's shit, you know what, that's like 100, the lids are worth like 80 or 90 bucks each. The tabletop. I mean, it's not too bad, I could clean that up. These two I think they're rooted. Jared Goon. Would you agree?
Yeah, I wouldn't be parking myself on one of those.
No. I think I might just go take these out to dry, at least.
Yummo. Oh, how are these going?
Yeah, they're going good. I got one done. Over there drying. But
Nice.
I'll have a look. I cleaned all them out. That's good. That's good. That's good. Worked out well. Cleaned it. It's cleaned. It's not the cleanest buckets. That's clean.
Oh, it's Bill Murray. G'day, Bill Murray. Catching ghosts.
Who?
Ghostbusters, you know.
hold on. Where are we at here? After Show's not?
Okay.
Then it has to, yeah.
Yeah.
Thursday. Alright. 3, 1, 2, 3. 6 minutes. Right. Anyway, that's delivery day. I forgot what we did today, Joe. We've got more jobs to do, but we thought we'd better end the episode. We've only got one delivery to come, and that's cider. And, you know, I ain't holding my breath. So, we're actually going to go to Bunnings and get some stuff to fix some other stuff.
Never ending.
Never ending. But, you come through, everything's ready to go. Like, toilet, clean's done. We scrub it up these ice buckets and bleach them and fix the broken masks hanging out there, isn't it? Cold.
Oh yeah.
Mate. You know, it's all done. Pretty much. Lesson for today. Now, no one watches this, so. But if you just keep busy, or if you keep busy, shit happens. And you don't. That's all it needs to happen. You just got to keep busy. That's it.
Well, there's always something to do, isn't there?
There's always something to do. If you're not keeping busy, then you're not doing anything. But that's it. Alright, we're going to go to Bunnings. Leanne's going to open the door.
No, I want to go to Bunnings. No, I don't. I hate Bunnings.
You got your Bunnings shirt on, though.
I know, and Bunnings boots, Bunnings shirt.
Yep.
Oh, Tradie Leanne strikes again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, while you're at Bunnings, you got a spare $20. Does anyone want to buy a new toilet seat for our house?
Nope.
Pub's toilets get fixed.
I think I need to get a long wait.
A what?
A long wait from
actually,
Bunnings.
okay. I've been waiting to do this for
Tart and
years.
paint.
I've been watching that since 2014, Shane.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's to happen.
What's that?
Oh, you're wild.
I'm sorry.
Hang on, are you being serious? No toilet seat for our house.
No.
Get that on camera. Pub toilets get fixed. Our house toilet. No bueno.
Okay, bro.
Yeah, Shane stands to poo as well.
Need a new toilet seat at our house, please.
No. Well, it's some money. People are going to have to come down and drink some alcohol.
So I have a toilet seat.
Hey. Yeah, so you're going to have to you're going to drink a lot of alcohol. I'm telling you.
Please.
Like,
Just the seat that's broken. Please. The little screw snapped. I distinctly remember being called a name in Big Market the other day, and I've got my witness, JG.
What'd you call Leanne again, Shane?
It wasn't her, it was the chicken shop lady. And it, I'm getting it on point. Went to the chicken shop, and I was like, I'm economical, so I was like, I'll get half a chicken. Because you get, for $6 you get a quarter of a chicken. For $8 you get half a chicken. Now, I did me f***ing maths. I had $15, I'm in. Getting half a chicken. Now, they gave me, I don't like a breast piece on a quarter. I'm a leg man, love my leg and my thigh. Gave me 2 breasts. Like, 2 wing pieces of a quarter. Yeah.
And then I recall being called a name because I didn't.
That wasn't said about
I
you,
didn't
Leanne,
buy
so
you a peanut butter and chocolate cannoli.
No, well, no, that's fair. They were there for 1 week and you said, we've got no money.
They weren't in our budget that week. I got a budget. They weren't in our budget. $18 cannolis. Who do you think you are?
They weren't $18.
No, but you got to buy 3, as if you're going to buy 1.
I only wanted that one.
Yeah, but it's a meal deal. You buy 3. You save money. You're throwing away money if you only buy 1, Shane.
I just wanted, that won't do that for another year. They won't do that for another year.
Well, you know what? Cry me a river, Justin.
I don't know what that means. I don't know what Justin means. Don't say that to me. I don't like people named Justin.
Justin Timberlake.
I don't know.
Do you know who I am? Go to Bunnings. Hurry up.
Signing off.